Hello everybody, today we are doing a ham salad. Before we do, please subscribe to my channel and give me a like, a thumbs up. This is a one-on-one building our salad. Let's go ahead and get started. And before I do, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, a thumbs up, and tell a friend. This video is also good for our kids and our new beginners. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with a bed of romaine and iceberg lettuce. Okay, y'all, at the beginning of the year, we are starting one-on-one classes. You are more than welcome to sign up. The price of it is $850 for 2.5 hours. Go ahead and get your spot. They're going to fill fast. Okay, let's start with our carrots. Okay, now that we have our carrots, we're going to go ahead and do our black beans and our corn. Okay, now that we have our carrots and our black beans and corn and our ham, we also added in our sour cream. Let's go ahead and do our red onions. Now we're going to go ahead and put on our eggs. Okay, now we're going to do our cheese. Okay, now that we have our cheese, we're going to apply our dressing and our bacon bits. Okay, now we have our bacon bits on. Let's go ahead and give us just a little bit of crouton and some more flavor. Don't forget to sign up for your classes. Okay, everybody, this is our ham salad, and this is our chicken and ham salad. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to the heart, mind, and the soul. God is love. Y'all have a good day, and please join me on the next video for these easy, delicious recipes and videos. Hope to see you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.